Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forum.
Hi guys, I'm doing 33 questions with India Forums. Come on in.
Hi Asha, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you do when you wake up.
I drink lots of water and then my black coffee. And these days I've been listening to Paramhans Yogananda ji. Yeah.
Well, what is that? Can you just elaborate on it?
परमहंस योगानंदा जी का सत्संग वो एक एकांतिक वार्तालाप है जो कि मैं सुबह के टाइम सुनती हूँ और उसमें वो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देते हैं. वो सुन के मेरा आई थिंक जो मेरा जो दिन है वो काफी अच्छी शुरुआत हो जाती है.
A useless talent that you have.
यूजलेस टैलेंट. यूजलेस टैलेंट. यार यूजलेस टैलेंट.
जुबान से नाक टच करो. There you go.
Yeah.
Weirdest thing that you have ever eaten?
Weirdest thing that I've ever eaten.
Hmm.
Weirdest thing I've ever eaten would be यार मैंने ये सब तो ट्राई नहीं किया है, कॉकरोच और ये सब जो भी लोग बोलते हैं फ्रॉग वगैरह, बट मुझे वो बड़ी वियर्ड लगती है. वो जो सी फूड है ना, कैलामारी, वो बहुत ही स्पॉन्जी सा होता है. I find it very weird and very tasteless. I don't know why people eat it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your go-to party dance move.
Go to party dance move.
Lovely. The most eventful day in your life till now.
यार कितने सारे हैं ऐसे.
एक बता दो.
एक किसे बता दूं. Most eventful, I think one of the days where जहाँ पे मैंने कुछ एक बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग सा सीन परफॉर्म किया और वो अच्छा गया हो तो मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ खुशी के बारे में.
One of your most scary experience?
Most scary. I think एक बार during पवित्र रिश्ता only I was sleeping inside the room और मेरा शायद से हाथ मेरे चेस्ट पे था. वो होता है ना sleep paralysis. और वहाँ पे लोग बोलते थे कि वहाँ पे ना उस स्टूडियो में भूत है, तो मुझे लगा कि शायद मुझे भूत ने अटैक किया. Like I could see the room and everything, but I couldn't shout. Like I could see I'm shouting, but I couldn't shout. वो sleep paralysis ही बोलते हैं उसको, but मुझे लगा मुझे भूत ने अटैक किया. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
One thing about yourself you wish to change.
One thing about myself that I wish to change. I think I'm a little lazy in life, so maybe शायद वो change हो जाता तो अच्छा होता.
Okay. One set that you have enjoyed the most at.
One
Set.
I love being on set, and I think बारिश जो मैंने एक शो किया था, which was with शर्मन जोशी. हमारी जो डायरेक्टर थी वो हमारे लिए गाजर का हलवा, मक्की की रोटी, सरसों का साग ये सब लेके आती रहती. तो काफी मजे किए हमने उस सेट पे. काफी मजे किए हैं.
Okay. Your best friend forever कौन है?
My best friend forever is my childhood best friend from Dehradun. Her name is Shreya. हम उसको प्यार से चिंकी बुलाते हैं.
Okay. If you could jump in a pool full of something, तो वो क्या चीज होगी?
Pool full of something. ऐसा बोल दूं क्या?
Of course, why not? Okay. One dish you always order while eating out.
I think यार अभी थोड़ी हेल्दी टाइप की हो गई मैं आजकल. मैं बोलना तो फ्राइज चाहती हूँ, बट मैं शायद एक सैलेड तो जरूर ऑर्डर करती हूँ अपने मील के साथ.
Okay. Apart from that, drinks में वगैरह?
ड्रिंक्स में मैं बोल रही हूँ ना मैं हेल्दी टाइप की हो गई हूँ. बहुत बोरिंग हो गई तो फ्रेश लाइम सोडा विदाउट शुगर.
ठीक है. One thing you miss about home when you are traveling.
मम्मी.
Yeah. The coolest experience you have ever had till date.
Coolest experience. Yeah, बहुत. I think मैं recently I had gone to Thailand for Muay Thai trip. Like I went there and I learned Muay Thai, kickboxing. So I think
Wow.
cool
कुछ
feeling
करके बताओ ना. Lovely. Okay. One thing you love to do on your day off.
sleep, not get out of bed, lay eggs on my bed, eat, sleep again, watch something.
ये कितना similar है हम दोनों में.
Yeah, love it.
If you had a plan to pamper, okay, तो आपकी itinerary कैसी होगी खुद को pamper करने के लिए?
खुद को पैम्पर करने के लिए can I repeat the last answer?
हाँ, चलेगा.
Yeah. Eat, sleep, watch something. Eat, sleep, watch something.
Something you are dying to do right now?
To do right now, go home and be on my bed.
अरे यार.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Your shopping isn't complete without you buying.
Me buying a top, a t-shirt.
Okay. An art form you wish to learn right now.
Yeah, I am not regular. I'm not regular, but I am trying to learn Kathak. So I go sometimes. And yeah, I do Kathak.
Okay. Which is the most interesting place जो आपने अब तक visit करी हो?
बहुत सारी हैं, but I think there was this one time we went to Israel, Jerusalem गए थे, and it was beautiful. Like कभी कभी होता है ना, you just go, you're going to a place ना कुछ expect नहीं किया, but you go there and you experience a certain energy, and I think I really wish कि I had more time at that place तब, and I could explore a little more and be there for a little more time.
फिर से चले जाना.
हाँ, but थोड़ा इजराइल का डर ही लगता है ना.
हाँ, वो भी है. What's the best thing that happened to you last week?
My show got released on Amazon Mini TV Industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last time you got pranked or pranked someone?
यार ये तो होता रहता है. So because I go to the gym every day and I have like a gang बन जाता है ना तुम्हारा gym में. So I have people there. तो ऐसे pranks करना, खुद पे होना has become very normal part of my life now.
Okay. One celebrity whose Instagram game you love?
श्रद्धा कपूर.
यार उनके comments
कितनी funny है यार. I love her. Yeah.
What would your perfect room look like?
My perfect room will have a nice soft bed, will have a projector, and my 2 cats around me.
Wow.
तीनों मतलब सो रही हैं. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है by the way. तीनों की तीनों पड़ी हुई है, सो ही रही हैं पूरा दिन.
Asha also loves sleeping. Cat also loves sleeping. A job you have always wanted to try?
A job, air hostess.
You would make such a beautiful one.
Wow.
If you were an animal, which one would you be?
Cat.
Yeah. If you had to get stuck with 2 celebrities in an elevator, तो कौन होंगे वो दो?
Good one. एक तो शाहरुख खान and Ranbir Kapoor.
Hi, what a combination.
Imagine.
Your go-to makeup product?
My go-to makeup product would be an eyebrow pencil, यार.
Yeah, dude,
है ना?
it changes the game.
Yeah. और कुछ करूँ ना करूँ, मैं बिना
Eyebrow.
eyebrow pencil के बाहर नहीं निकलती हूँ घर से.
High five. Have you crushed on a fictional movie character? If yes, then who?
Of course, I have so many times. यार so many times. I think recently मैंने Past Lives देखी थी. एक Korean film I think, Korean Japanese, Korean है शायद. उसमें जो main actor है, I forgot his name, but him.
Okay. If you could know the absolute truth to one question, तो वो कौन सा सवाल होगा?
कि मरने के बाद क्या होता है?
Which Indian reality show you would love to be a part of?
Indian reality show. I think I have already been a part of it, but Fear Factor.
Lovely. Lastly, where are you going after this interview?
Home. Where else,
And then
guys?
we'll see.
And then I'll go lie down on my bed. Can't wait.
Well, you nailed this 33 questions, Asha. Thank you so much for doing this with us.
Thank you.
Done.